I'm Laik from Pets Nation. Most of you know me now. You have been my subscriber for long. Today I'm doing a video for this engraver. This is an engraver which I got it from eBay India for around 250 rupees. I always had this question in mind. I was looking for a solution as to how I can identify the feeders, the bowl, the cage, the trays, feeding trays of my bird cages. Most of them are exactly the same, they are similar. So when I take them out to wash or clean or disinfect them, so they get mixed up, and I'll end up putting the wrong bowl in the wrong cage since they look similar. So I was looking for a solution, so I found this engraver. I'm using this engraver to engrave the cage number on these bowls and stainless steel trays and coop cups and all. So this engraver runs on these two batteries. These are AA batteries. You just need to slide it, put the batteries in, and again turn it so it locks in its place. The moment you press this power button, this little steel shaft which has a ball engraver starts vibrating, and you use it just like a pen to engrave it on any surface like plastic, glass, wood, steel, metal. So this is a perfect solution to mark the cage numbers on your bowls, feeders, and you can also mark your cages in respect of the numbers. Say cage 1, cage 2, cage 3, bowl 1, bowl 2, tray 1, tray 2, whatever. And let me tell you, this is a video which I'm doing is a not for sale ad. I'm not selling these engravers. It's just for knowledge sharing, so that you also can get benefit out of it, because it turned out to be useful for me in controlling disease. Most of the time it happens if you have a pair or a bird which is affected by any sort of virus or is unhealthy or having a disease. When you mix the bowl during washing and put it in the wrong cage of a healthy bird, they might also catch up the same infection or disease. So this helps minimizing the risk of disease outbreak in your aviary, and this is really very feasible, handy and economical. 250 rupees worth of engraver with free delivery from eBay. Now I'm going to show you how to use this, operate this, and mark my bowls. I'm going to mark cage 6 on this, because this bowl will go in my cage number 6. Alright, you can even write the sizes also of the cages. You may have different sizes cages, say 4 feet by 2 feet into 2 feet, or you might have 3 feet into 2 feet into 2 feet. So that's how you mark this. Alright, I'm not sure if this would be visible in this video, but I'll try my best. Alright, so here I am marking it as cage 6. Alright, can you see this? This is cage number 6. This is permanent. You may try thinking of using stickers or permanent markers, but that goes off with time. But this is like a permanent solution for your problem. Alright, so I'm going to also show you how you can engrave it on steel. we use usually steel coop cups and tray most of the time in our cages. Alright, so this is from this parrot stand. I'm going to mark it stand 1. Okay. Stand 1. So if I have multiple stands and it has 2 bowls each, if I mark it stand 1, stand 2, I'll never end up, putting in the wrong bowl in the wrong stand, or a wrong feeder or a drinker bowl in a wrong cage. So this is a very handy tool named as Warner Marker Engraver. Come closer. This engraves on glass, plastic, steel, and even wood. There are instructions out here. Alright, you can go through this instruction and you can buy it off ebay.in. I have just checked eBay, and currently it's for 200 rupees with 50 rupees international national shipping anywhere in India. So most of you, those who have a large setup and have multiple similar bowls, feeders, can opt for this. I'm sure you're gonna love it, enjoy it. And in the end of this video, I would like to request everyone to please share, like, and comment this video of mine so that it reaches the maximum people who actually can be benefited out of it. That's a request. I thank you for watching this video.